Welcome to this complete step-by-step tutorial on Kit.com. As you can see right here on their homepage, their main philosophy is simple. Your email list should be working harder for you. And it's true. Your audience is more valuable than you think. And Kit is the email marketing platform specifically designed to help you grow your list, find your highest value subscribers, and actually earn more from every send. If you've been in the digital space for a while, you might know this platform by its former name, ConvertKit. But it has evolved into an entirely complete operating system for creators, entrepreneurs, and brand builders. By the way, if you are interested in trying it out and want to follow along with this tutorial, I've left a link down in the description below where you can get immediate access to the tool. You might be wondering, why choose Kit over older legacy platforms? Legacy tools often overwhelm you with clunky newsletter builders and rigid list structures. Kit flips the script. It operates on a single list, tag-based system, meaning you never pay for the same subscriber twice. It also heavily favors clean text-first emails because they actually land in the primary inbox rather than getting buried in the promotions tab. Today, we are looking purely at the interface. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up your account, manage your audience, build your first high-converting landing page, deliver an automated welcome email, and even set up a digital product to sell. Everything I'm showing you is fully accessible right out of the gate, so make sure to click that link in the description, and let's jump straight into the dashboard. Now that we are inside the dashboard, you might notice a yellow warning banner at the very top of the screen stating that some features are disabled until approved. If you are a brand new user, do not panic. This is totally normal and is actually one of the biggest reasons you should be using Kit. Many legacy email platforms allow anyone to sign up and instantly blast thousands of spam emails. That ruins the reputation of the platform, meaning your legitimate emails end up in your subscribers' spam folders. Kit, however, manually verifies new accounts to protect their deliverability rates. This means they are actively guarding your domain reputation. You can simply click that banner later, answer a few quick questions about your business, and they will permanently unlock your sending features. But the best part is, you don't have to wait for that review to start building. Let's start with the heart of your account, your audience. Click on the Subscribers tab on the left menu. Because this is a brand new account, your dashboard is going to look a little empty, and that is perfectly fine. Kit gives you a few distinct ways to populate this page and add your very first subscribers. If you are migrating from another legacy platform, like MailChimp, ConvertKit's older versions, or Substack, Kit makes it incredibly easy to bring your audience with you. You can click the Other Provider button to set up an automatic migration, or click Import CSV to bulk upload a spreadsheet of your existing contacts. You also have the option to click One Subscriber to add an email address manually. A great best practice here is to actually add your own email address first. This allows you to easily test your own broadcast emails later to see exactly what they look like on a mobile phone before you send them to the public. You'll also notice a prompt at the bottom to set up recommendations. This is a massive feature unique to Kit, where creators can actually recommend each other's newsletters, helping you grow your list up to 30% faster organically. But what if you are starting completely from scratch and don't have a CSV file to import just yet? In that case, we need to build a system to capture those emails automatically, and we can stage that entire system right now. Now that our tagging infrastructure is ready, we need a way to actually collect those email addresses. If you don't have a website yet, you are in luck, because Kit hosts professional, fast-loading landing pages for you. Look over at the left-hand menu, expand the Audience Growth section, and click on Landing Pages and Forms. Click Create New and choose Landing Page. Kit gives you dozens of gorgeous templates, but I want to give you a massive design tip right now. Do not overcomplicate this page. Every extra element on your page causes decision fatigue, and that drastically lowers your conversion rate. Look for a clean, minimal template. You want all the focus on the value you are providing. I'm going to select this simple single-column layout right here. Let's customize it. First, click on the headline. Your headline needs to offer a clear, immediate benefit. Instead of writing something generic like, "Subscribe to my newsletter," let's change this to, "Get a weekly breakdown of the best productivity strategies." Next, let's look at the opt-in form. Keep the required fields to an absolute minimum. Usually, asking for just a first name and an email address is perfect. Finally, click on the subscribe button. High contrast is your best friend. Change the button color to something that vividly pops against the background, like a sharp blue or a deep orange. You want the eye drawn directly to that action. Since our account is currently in the setup phase, we won't hit publish just yet. But by clicking Save in the top right corner, this draft is locked in. When your account is greenlit, all it takes is one click to make this page live to the world. Before we completely close out of this landing page editor, there are 2 more hidden settings in this menu that you absolutely need to utilize to run a professional brand. First, look over at the left side of this menu and click on the SEO and Social Share tab. Whenever you paste your new landing page link onto Twitter, LinkedIn, or Facebook, you want a professional image and a catchy title to automatically pop up. This is where you configure that. Taking 2 minutes to fill out your meta title and write a compelling description here will drastically increase the number of people who click your link when they see it on social media. Next, click on the Analytics Integrations tab. This is a massive advantage of using Kit. If you want to run paid ads in the future, or if you just want to see exactly how much traffic your page is getting, you need tracking. Normally, this requires you to mess around with complicated website code. Kit makes it plug and play. As you can see, you can easily connect Google Analytics to track your page views, or paste in your Facebook Business Pixel if you're running meta ads. You can even connect Pinterest or Fathom. You do not need to be a developer to track your marketing data. Once your SEO and analytics are set up, go ahead and hit that black Save button in the bottom corner. Your landing page infrastructure is now 100% complete. Next, let's talk about how to prepare your real-time updates, your weekly newsletters, and your general announcements. In Kit, a one-time scheduled email is called a broadcast. Go to the left-hand menu, click on Broadcasts, and then select New Broadcast. This brings us to the email editor, and this is where you will immediately notice a huge philosophical difference compared to legacy platforms. Notice how it looks almost exactly like a blank Google Doc? There are no complicated visual blocks to drag around, no rigid sidebars, and no heavy coding required. This clean, text-first approach is highly intentional. Major email providers use incredibly strict algorithms to filter incoming mail. They heavily penalize emails that are stuffed with heavy background colors, multiple HTML columns, and massive image blocks, sending them straight to the promotions folder because they look like corporate advertisements. A clean, text-based email bypasses those strict filters. It lands right in the primary inbox, it is highly readable on mobile devices, and most importantly, it feels like a genuine message sent from a trusted friend. It builds a deeper connection with your reader and results in vastly higher click-through rates. Let's look at the subject line at the top of the editor. Kit allows you to run an A/B test directly in the editor by clicking the little A/B icon. This is a game changer for your open rates. It allows you to draft 2 completely different subject lines for the exact same email. I highly recommend testing one subject line that is completely benefit-driven and a second one that uses curiosity. Kit's system will automatically send subject A to a small percentage of your list and subject B to another small percentage. It waits a couple of hours to see which one gets a higher open rate, and then automatically sends the winning subject line to the remaining majority of your list. It is a completely hands-off way to optimize your marketing. You can write out your entire first newsletter right here. Use short paragraphs and lots of white space to make it easy to skim. Once you are finished writing, just click Save. It will sit patiently as a draft in your dashboard, ready to be sent the moment your sending privileges are fully approved. Finally, let's look at the ultimate goal for most creators: monetization. When you are ready to launch a product, you do not need to go out and buy a separate, expensive platform or set up complicated third-party integrations. Kit has a powerful, secure commerce engine built right into the dashboard. Look back at the left-hand sidebar, expand the Monetization section, and click on Products. Let's click New Product to set up a digital download. Perhaps you've put together a comprehensive PDF guide, a premium video masterclass, or a bundle of Notion templates. You can fully stage this product today, even while your account is in the review process. Give your product a compelling, results-oriented name. When you get to the pricing section, Kit gives you a ton of strategic flexibility. You can set a standard one-time fee, create a recurring monthly subscription for an exclusive community, or use a pay-what-you-want sliding scale. The pay-what-you-want feature is an incredible tool for audience building. It lowers the barrier to entry while allowing your most loyal fans to tip you for your hard work. On the next screen, you simply upload your digital file or paste in your exclusive link. When you launch, Kit will handle the entire checkout page, process the credit card payment securely via Stripe, and instantly deliver the file to your buyer without you having to lift a finger. Better yet, because your storefront is integrated directly with your email platform, your audience segmentation becomes completely seamless. Kit will automatically tag a buyer as a customer, allowing you to effortlessly exclude them from future promotional emails so you never annoy someone by pitching them a product they already own. And there you have it, a comprehensive, strategic walkthrough of how to set up your Kit workspace for maximum audience growth and conversion. Let's do a quick recap of your immediate action items. First, if you still have that yellow banner at the top of your screen, don't ignore it. Click it and answer those quick questions for customer support so they can greenlight your account and protect your long-term deliverability. While you wait for that review to clear, get to work staging your assets. Keep your landing page drafts clean and highly contrasted to boost your conversion rates. Use the confirmation email settings to pre-build your automated welcome sequence and effortlessly deliver your free lead magnets. Configure your analytics and draft your first broadcast using Kit's Text First editor to ensure that when you do hit send, your message goes straight to the primary inbox where it belongs. The most important thing for you to do right now is to just start. Do not get caught up in worrying about having a massive list on day one. A small, highly engaged list of true fans is infinitely more valuable than a massive list of people who never open your emails. Focus your energy on providing real, tangible value in every single message, and let Kit handle the heavy lifting of your marketing logistics. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Once again, the link to get immediate access to Kit is in the description below. Go ahead and log into your dashboard, start drafting your assets using the strategies we covered today, and prepare to launch your brand to the world. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more digital marketing tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.